Hello and welcome to the session. In this session we discuss the following question which says find the triplicate ratios of the following ratios. In the first part we are given the ratio a to the power 2 upon 3 is to b to the power 2 upon 3. In the second part we are given the ratio x to the power 1 upon 3 into y is to x into y to the power 2 upon 3. Before moving on to the solution, let's discuss the triplicate ratio. Now the triplicate ratio of the ratio a is to b is given by a cube is to b cube. That is, when three ratios or three equal ratios are compounded, the resulting ratio is the triplicate ratio, which is a cube is to b cube. This is the key idea for this question. Let's proceed with the solution now. In the first part, we are given the ratio a to the power 2 upon 3 is to b to the power 2 upon 3. We need to find the triplicate ratio of this ratio. Now, the required triplicate ratio is given by a to the power 2 upon 3 the whole cube is to b to the power 2 upon 3 the whole cube, or this is equal to a to the power 2, that is a square, is to b to the power 2, that is b square. So this is the triplicate ratio of the given ratio. So we have triplicate ratio of a to the power 2 upon 3 is to b to the power 2 upon 3 is a square is to b square. So this is our final answer for the first part of the question. Now consider the second part, in which we are given the ratio x to the power 1 upon 3 into y is to x into y to the power 2 upon 3. Now, the required triplicate ratio is given by x to the power 1 upon 3 into y the whole cube is to x into y to the power 2 upon 3 the whole cube, or you can say this is equal to x into y cube is to x cube into y square. So this is the triplicate ratio of the given ratio. So we say triplicate ratio of x to the power 1 upon 3 into y is to x into y to the power 2 upon 3 is x into y cube is to x cube into y square. So this is the answer for the second part of the question. This completes the session. Hope you have understood the solution of this question.